And welcome back. Well, earlier in the show, we heard from CommonGround volunteer Emma Vogt on the great lengths that producers go to be sustainable. And now she is back with a recipe. Here is Emma with a snack the whole family will no doubt love.
Well, if you're like me, you're always looking for a dessert, just something to clear the palate a little bit. And joining me now with more on this is Emma Vogt with CommonGround. And Emma, you have a great recipe for us.
I do, John. It's a Rice Krispie treat with some chocolate and butterscotch topping on it. And it's real simple, just about 6 ingredients and comes together real easy. So we start off, we do a cup of sugar and a cup of syrup. And just heat that up on the stove till it comes to a little bit of a boil. Just mainly that bubble stage. And as soon as it starts to bubble, we'll pull it off the stove. And this is the only cooking that's involved in it, so it makes it real nice.
What are you doing right now, Emma? Just kind of stirring it, kind of keeping it?
Just stirring it so it doesn't burn and mixes together pretty easy that way.
Okay, yep.
And once it starts to form just some little bubbles, we'll pull it off the stove and add a cup of peanut butter. And I like to mix that around at first just so it mixes in good before we add our Rice Krispies. And then I just add about 5 cups of Rice Krispies and make sure that they're all good and coated.
Yeah, and I imagine as thick as that is, it does take a little bit of time and work to kind of get that all stirred up.
And once it's all combined up, we're just gonna come and put it in a grease 13 by 19 pan. And then while that kind of sets up, I'm just gonna take a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and butterscotch chocolate chips, a cup of that, and heat it up in the microwave about 3 minutes altogether. Just kind of stir it about every 30 seconds to make sure it doesn't burn. And then we will pour that on top of the bars, and they are ready to go.
That is a great treat for any time of the year. Yeah, thank you, Emma, for sharing that with us, and can't wait to try it.